So hey everyone, I'm all dressed up for my university. I again, as per usual, I got a little late again, and my friends are gonna kill me right now, just because they have been waiting for me since the past half an hour. Um, Howsoever, the weather seems to be a little gloomy and dull, and this gives me enough reason to get into the seasonal depression thing. But I'm just not going to get into that, because if I do that, my entire vlogging career is going to be over, because you guys will not like to watch me being negative. So what I do is I keep myself surrounded most of the time, and I would recommend all of you guys over here who are watching this video, in case if you guys are in Germany, or in case if you guys are planning to come down to Germany, you please make sure that you are surrounding yourself with your friends, and try to not be alone as much as possible. Because if you do that, considering the kind of weather, and considering the nights have got longer, the days have got shorter, you might end up getting into a very dull and depressing zone. Anyway, the weather seems to be really beautiful, but again, I mean, a little dull. So after some time, all the leaves are gonna fall off, shed off, and all we are going to see is just blank plants. I'm gonna be reaching in another 2-3 minutes. That's life. A little difficult, but that's okay. Let's go. So we have people over here taking the tea, coffee. We have people over here spending time with their friends, and it's me going to my uni. So let's really walk as fast as I can. And meet my friends. See you. Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my university campus, which is IGC, the English wing, and we also have the Hochschule building, the German wing. So today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the English wing, and if we get lucky, I'll just probably show you around what exactly Mensa is, how exactly students eat, what are the where's the library, what are the things that you can do, and also a few other things along with my friends over here. So that right here is Akshita. Akshita, say hi.
Hi everyone.
So Akshita happens to be the student coordinator for our batch, and she has just joined with me over here, and she got the opportunity to work as a student assistant. And we'll let you know about this aspect as well, that you can still work as a student assistant in the university itself, and you can still fund yourself in a way. And we have my friend Sirsha.
Hello.
So Sirsha and me were supposed to come on the same flight, but then I missed my flight, and I'll tell the entire stories on some other vlog. But then Sirsha is here, and all three of us are now working on a group project, because of which I got a chance to meet them. And today, let me just give you a walkthrough of how exactly this beautiful building looks like from inside. And we are going to give you a walkthrough of the Hochschule Bremen, and then the Mensa and that building as well. So this is how it looks like over here, and this place is called Langerstrasse. That right there is an Indian store, Kumaran, in case if you guys really want to get some Indian food for yourself. So that's Kumaran right there. And so yeah, with this, let's just go inside. This beautiful building looks like from inside. Shall we?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll let you lead the way. Come on.
For IGC building.
This is the main entrance to the IGC building. We need to click on that, and the door opens like that. So please, after you. And that right there is the campus HSB application that you have to download as and when you are over here in Bremen, in the university, so that you get all the updates, including your semester ticket, inside the HSB application itself. Now let's go inside and let me show you how the reception looks like. And today, you guys can keep your overcoat over here because it's really warm inside, but I'll probably like to wear it. Let's go. This is how the reception area looks like. And they change it. So this is like a movable thing. They just change it every single day. And that right there. Hello.
Hello.
I'm
Caroline.
Caroline here. And she handles it really well. Thank you so much for being a sport. Come inside. Classes, the ISA, the international.
right there?
Ease office. That's International Student Assistance, and that's the best part that I like and love about IGC as a university, because they really help us at every mile, every stone, every corner.
These are our seniors.
That's my voice. That's the. So I think it's a lunch break. No one is here, but let me just give you a little peek through. So all of my friends. I mean, so you might have met Nicole. Nicole, she is going to be featuring in another vlog. We also have Madeline. She was the one who gave me a city tour. Hannah, who did my registration. Sebastian gave me another city tour. I have met Leonie, is my Whoop friend, because she's into fitness. I'm into fitness. We are Whoop partners. I have met Michelle. She has just joined recently, and then we have Maren. I have not met her. I have not met Caroline, because I think these guys are somewhere outside. Yeah. So this woman right here, she was responsible for giving us a walk tour of, what was city tour?
City tour,
Yeah, and after that, to be busy all the time. No one is here? You're just gonna be here? Okay, cool. The room number, this is the largest room over here where we have our classes. Akshita, where next?
Yeah. You want to show that?
What is that?
So this is a setup where you can see the activities which take place at IGC.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is the event which is going to happen on 15th.
Okay, cool. And then we have the pictures of students over here as well. And a lot many pictures again. Bro, somehow I really like it. I'm really thankful that I did not get into a private university, because that would just have been like in one single open space. But then this is a good university. It's a good classroom, everything. And I think you guys have already met Astrid. This is where Astrid sits on probably Thursday. And that my friend over here is Vaughn. Once you guys would be able to see Vaughn in next of the videos. But for now, so yeah, I think people are working. This is just a sort of a staff room.
I'm hungry.
Feel hungry.
I don't have anything. We'll go and have pommes.
Promise?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna meet the dark chocolate thing that you just gave me. You're
My
rich.
existence is enough to fill your stomach.
Oh my god, what the fuck? So this is the student kitchen right over here. You guys can come. You guys can get yourself, quench your thirst. I don't know if you can do anything else. This is the washroom, seminar room. So this is how it looks like from inside. Are they having a class? That right there is Atulya, Bhargavi, Mugil. Is she Suma? So I'll make you guys meet on my video, because I have already met them. But for now, I'm just giving you a walkthrough. This is the staff rooms, and that right, this guy over here is responsible for the entire IT thing. Sasha, say hi. Oh wait, say hi. Good. So that's Sasha, and I love him. He is really a crazy guy. I love him so. And he is responsible for the entire IT thing. This is how it looks from here. And now we are walking towards the old building. Akshita, tell us something about the old building.
I don't know anything.
Oh, you don't know anything? So this is the old building. Let me give you an understanding of the old building. So here is the study room, where people can just come and study. That, my friend right there, is Sanika and Priya. Are you guys enjoying your studies? Yes. No? Did we interrupt you in any way? Yes. Come on, Sanika. Alright, I'll just let them study. Let me take you to a different room altogether. This is the class that's happening right over here. I really won't bother them. So now we are going to be walking towards the Hochschule building. My friend right there is the Hochschule building. And I'm not kidding, this was the first ever building that I saw, and it really caught my eye in the first place, and I wanted to be here because I just loved the kind of Scottish vibe it gave me. Do the honor.
I hope it opens.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh, it's gonna be one big library. Okay. Do you like this? Yeah, I like the ITC thing a little more. Oh my god, those are like huge. Huge. Let's do that. So I did not even have the library card. Now you are also going to have that experience together how to get a library card. So that right there is the library. We just came from that side and now we're gonna be there. There's a library. Let's see how to get the card. And that right there is the library. Oh my god. It's huge. Crazy. So now we're gonna be okay. She got hers, I got mine. At least just shooting a video helped. So this is how it looks. I like it somehow, you know. So downstairs, I mean, people can just come and chill, and over here, just people have more space and everything.
Und auf Interest, aber ich würde vorher gerne ein paar Sachen klären.
And you already have your, you have the keys, right? This is the back door of, probably the right door. As soon as we come out, we are greeted with Mensa right there. That right there is IGC. These are so huge. So they have like separate buildings for everything. Now this is Mensa. Over here, people can just come eat at a subsidized rate. So just for all of you guys, I'm going to get my Mensa card, which I have never activated and I have not even got it recharged. So I'm going to recharge it right in front of you so that you guys can also know how to do it. Why? So that right there is my card. This is my gym card. So many cards. And that right there is my HSB card, the Mensa card. So we'll need to fuel it up before. That's my friend Merav again for all of you guys.
Like, share, subscribe.
Where we are going to over here. Oh, it just went straight up. What the I just made the payment, tapped in my card. It's approved. Yeah. So that's my card, which has, and over here you can get coffees. Over here you can get things and some things over here. I don't know what that is for. Merav, not good.
No, it's not mine.
Okay, now let's go eat something. Mera, what would you like to have?
Burger.
Beggar?
Yeah.
You have me walking in front of you. I'm a beggar too. Let's go.
If you give me a lunch, I will stay with you.
All he wants is lunch. He is not going to show me any love, but all he wants is lunch. Is it okay? It's not okay, right? He is my friend from Iran. By the way, Merav, just to give you a background, Merav used to serve Iranian army. Master, he can shoot and all. 2 years. 2 years. Let's go, my friend.
We'll go get some lunch.
Yeah, let's go get some lunch. Do we need? Thank you. So I have to share with Akshita because यहाँ पे खाना खत्म हो गया apparently. And हमेशा की तरह.
Vegetarian option available.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know how it's going to
Looks
taste.
like German version of poha.
Let's. Guys, another introduction. Tarun Bhai is here. All of a sudden, I'm shooting a vlog for.
Hello, bro.
I'm so lucky to have you, bro. All the time you're over here in my vicinity. भाई यहाँ पे खाना खत्म हो गया भाई. I'm getting you a walkthrough of Mensa again, guys. It's crazy. So many people are over here. That's the kind of food that we have got over here. Mera, because he already ate without me, now he's not going to eat anything. So wrong, man. My class today, which is online, because the professor seems to be in US while taking the class. So we're going to be going to the study room. Mera is here. So we're going to be going to the study room so that we can take the class together. Because when we are back at home, it just sucks, right? It's better to sit with friends and
sit in the class.
so. Guys, let's go.
I'm also a very big influencer.
Yeah. One done.
Hi.
And
This is one. Hi.
to overtake my channel. I mean, someday
Yeah,
she will.
probably one day.
Tomorrow, maybe.
And you gotta pay me for that.
How much do you need? Can I just like?
Monthly? You want monthly?
No, monthly. I know I can't one chocolate drink or something. No.
Ah,
Oh,
yeah,
I mean
cacao.
you are going to give me cacao drink, right?
You
So
are
the-
supposed to give me. Why would I give you?
Because you are shooting for me.
He should pay me for that, right?
Why?
For shooting.
He's trying to convince you to don't fall
Yeah,
for it.
I don't fall for it. That's
So-
not gonna work on me.
Innocent
Akshita,
vampires.
what are we going to do now?
So we're gonna attend our MIS class from IGC.
What is MIS?
Masters
Business
in
analytics,
information
system.
system
What is that?
analytics. Still trying to figure Don't put that. Loopers.
Madam, what is this class all about? What is MIS?
I don't know really.
So that my bro Ashish, he's just coming. I've been missing him since morning.
Where are you coming from? Windsor? What did you have? It's finished now.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Why is this guy here?
Akshita is here. Sisha is here. And now we're going to be studying this beautiful place.
What limits do we choose for the axes, those types of things?
Hey guys, so good evening. आज की मेरी classes हो गई and it was really like a very very long class क्योंकि मैं सुबह आया था अपने assignment करने के लिए 10 बजे. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ खाया भी नहीं, मैंने खाया ही नहीं था कुछ. एंड अब मैं वापस घर जा रहा हूँ. अभी आई थिंक नेगी आज जल्दी चला गया था. नेगी वांटेड टू कुक समथिंग, तो शायद उसने कुछ बनाया होगा. और मैं अभी खाना खा कर शायद से जिम जाना है हमने. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें टेक केयर करनी है. सो फटाफट अभी घर निकलते हैं एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. गाइस घर आया ये सोचकर कि आशीष ने कुछ खाना बना कर रखा होगा, बट इन्होंने कुछ नहीं बनाया ना. ये टोटियाज लेकर के अब जा करके मेरे को सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी. ये सारी की सारी उठा करके इसमें डालना है और उसके बाद फिर हमें जाना है रेवे. आशीष कुछ कहना चाह रहा. अभी हम बस बाहर जा रहे थे रेवे जैसे मैंने बताया. तो आशीष के पास दिमाग में कुछ थॉट्स थे. गो एट कंप्लीट योर थॉट.
और इतना सब होने के बाद जिम जाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा है क्योंकि अभी तो हमारे पास चीज़ें है भी नहीं. जब जॉब वगैरह लगेगी तब तो और परेशानी होगी भाई. कॉलेज भी, क्लासेस भी.
So I'll give you a background. In India, it's really easy for all of us. I mean, for both of us to be able to hit the gym, go for a run, because we are not bounded to, cook food, do things, blah blah blah. But यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें we are just doing it everything all by ourselves. So इस चक्कर में ना हमारी ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें हैम्पर हो रही है जिम स्पेसिफिकली. अभी हम रोज में ना है फटाफट. मेरे को हेयर सीरम कुछ लेना था तो मेरे को ये मिला है. आई होप दिस टर्न्स आउट टू बी वेल.
Hello, I am Kabira in
Bremen.
Ne? What?
In Bremen.
In Bremen. Beautiful.
Welcome.
Very, very beautiful.
Welcome.
Willkommen. Was?
Okay, cheers.
Hi guys, this is your boy Kabira. So रात की हो चुकी है, ऑलमोस्ट 1 बजे की सुबह हो चुकी है और हमने डिसाइड किया, मैं और आशीष जा रहे थे नीचे वॉक करने के लिए और हमें रास्ते में गई. सो हमने सोचा कि यार अब ये मिल गए तो हम लोग सब साथ में वॉक करने ही जा रहे थे. तो सब साथ अब वॉक कर रहे हैं. एंड इसको मैंने अपनी व्लॉग दिखाई थी इसे, तो इसने मेरे को इमिटेट करना शुरू किया. और उसमें चेरी ऑन द केक आशीष हर बार he tries to just me all the time, but she really imitates very well of me. Special. Hello.
Hello, I am Kabira in Bremen. Ich go to university.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Bremen very, very
Well,
good.
like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, good.
Like,
Like,
share,
share.
like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, screams.
Subscribe.
Some screams.
Subscribe.
This is okay.
Never wanna see you sad, girl.